Hi, I'm Christopher Gale, and this is my usability test for my app design with jQuery Mobile. I'm hoping to put this app onto a tablet or a smartphone. I want to see how people use it first, so I can take out the wrinkles and make it smoother. And these people I've never met before, and I'm hoping they'll give me some positive feedback. So the first person up will be Elise Stewart.
Hello, my name's Elise Stewart. I'm the Business Development Manager here at the factory in Porth, and I've been invited by Chris to be the guinea pig for his app. So he wants to idiot-proof it, so he's come to the right person. Let's see how I get on.
Okay, so I've set the app up to what I think is tablet format for this particular screen. You can start when you're ready, Elise.
Okay, so can I click anywhere?
It's not for me to say, so see if we can navigate around it.
Okay.
Imagine it's on a smartphone and you're using your finger.
Right.
Okay, it's all part of the testing again. Nope. Oh.
Okay, so I went to home, so I'm with my gallery now. Oh, there's nice photos.
Thank you. Took it myself.
Oh no, they're lovely. Actually, first impressions, yes, nice to see a range of different photographs. Okay, so I'll go back. Get your contact there, that's nice.
Can you go back to the gallery?
Do you want me to?
That's the back to the home screen. That's working.
Yeah, I'm back to the gallery.
Just click on any picture.
Alright, okay then. Let me have a look which one is my favourite.
There'll be more going on there, but it's just prototype as well.
Oh, those are nice, weren't they?
Meerkats.
I like them. Okay, so I want to buy this, so I go on it, and I can see a clear image, all the photos. Okay, so yeah, that's come up nicely. You can close it down easily. Okay, so yeah, so you can access the
Try to
home
contact
page.
me. I think I need more contact information there. My Facebook page come up.
Right, yeah, that's good.
Twitter.
Still waiting to tweet
Is there a thumb over the... Oh, there we are.
Yeah. Nice signature. Page grid. Yeah, so 3 nice sections.
Okay, thank you for testing that.
I can give you some feedback.
Yeah, that'd be great. And let me just...
Well, like I say, you came to the right place to idiot-proof it. Obviously, I'm not over familiar with mobile apps, as you can see, because I took a bit of time to find the different spaces. But yes, once I was there, I was able to see what was there, able to navigate it quite easily, and there's clarity in the images, which, after all, it is about photography, so that's great.
What would you change if you could? Did anything confuse you?
I wouldn't, well, I don't know about changing it, and I'm not an expert, so I don't know if I can pass comment on that. What I would say is perhaps more instruction on what to do when you get to the home page and what the options are. But also, I'd like to see more functionality there I mean, if I'm going on it to look for photographs, I'd want to know how to access those photographs, what the options are, what the quality standards are of the images, and the costings, and how quickly I could get them.
So to, in the future, put a market value on.
I would
pictures.
look at how you could miniaturise. At the end of the day, it's an aid to your business,
Yeah.
how you'd miniaturise the images and how you can make those images accessible to a market quickly and within a certain number of scrolls or clicks on the app.
Okay, thank you very
Okay.
much. I'll bear that in consideration for the second year, and hopefully take the app to the next level.
Good luck.
I'll
Thank
try
you
and
very
get it this year, but it's got to be under in by the end of the week.
much. Thank you, Chris. Okay, so we're here in the factory and welcome to Gareth. Gareth, do you want to say a little bit about yourself and your business?
Yeah, I'm Gareth Owens. I run a health and safety consultancy. Most of my contracts are based in Wales, but some around Europe as well.
And Gareth, do you ever seek stills for any of your marketing or promotional literature?
Sometimes in terms of reference for jobs or particular examples, then yeah, I would use stills or particular photos. Yeah.
And are you familiar with researching either via the internet or a tablet, you know, off a PC or a tablet or mobile device?
Yeah, usually I'd use either iPhone, iPad, or sometimes my laptop and just Google images. Yeah.
So are you happy to user test this in its very preliminary early stages?
Yes. Yeah.
Rolling.
So this is where the navigation is the panel on the left. Panel, and the options at home like gallery. Theme,
Talk about
down. Do that then. Scroll to the bottom.
So Gareth, how are you finding it? 3 stages in the development of the app. You've got the home page, you've got the gallery and you've got the contacts.
Yeah.
How do you find them to access and navigate?
I think it's pretty self-explanatory, although what I probably would add is direction when I go from, say, here. Obviously at that point, would it be a save function or
Find out more.
a download or information on the photo, maybe dimensions. If I go back, maybe a back button instead of an X. Maybe point here, with, instead of being a drop-down menu on the side, like a reactive website, if I could put maybe home or something there maybe. Yeah.
Any features that you'd add in addition to that basic functionality?
No. As it is, yeah, it's great.
Thank you very much for your time, Gareth.
No problem.
Yeah, job done.
Thank you.
Sorry, tonight. Hi Sam, thank you very much for taking part in this usability testing. Do you want to explain who you are and your experience of computers?
My name is Samuel Dyczkowski. I left college after doing an IT course last year, and I'm a volunteer here at the factory helping out with general duties.
Okay, so you know what we're trying to do here. There's an app that's been developed from scratch, the code's been written, and Chris is looking at the ease of usage for it and ideas on how it can be developed and further expanded. So, do you want to give it a little whirl?
Yep, have a look at it.
Rolling. No.
Testing out the app here. I'm going to the main menu. Good pictures on here. Nice, okay. Quite a good gallery setup. Yeah, quite a good gallery setup. And quite good photos too.
That's good to know.
Because it's designed at that, you know. Could you navigate back to the home screen for me?
Navigation is quite laid out and simple. One thing that could be improved a little is the load time, but this is on a test platform,
So it could be improved over time, but there's a test platform. Is that what you just said?
Yep, that's probably what's slowing it down a bit.
Because it's on the test platform, the speed.
Yeah, it worked better on a phone or laptop than a phone or tablet in an app.
So, Sam, what would you improve on it? What would you add to it over time?
An option to mark the photos on a theme.
So an index system and classification system on the images.
Like wildlife and landscaping.
Well, I can arrange it in the colours, such as put wildlife and a black tab, put buildings and a green tab. And
So you'd colour code the index.
Nice and simple.
Oh, thank you.
Great. Thank you very much, Sam. Okay, so now we've got Dave. You're up, Dave.
Sorry.
Then, Dave, would you like to introduce yourself?
I'm Dave Roberts, I'm a volunteer here. I've been disabled for about 2 years now due to a stroke. I'm just getting back on my feet.
And Dave, you're an artist.
I'm an artist, yeah. But I'm just learning to control with my left hand, what I used to do all the time with my right. So.
And do you use apps in any way at all on
Say that again?
do you use applications on computers or on mobile devices?
Yeah, an application to buy stuff and just using different apps on the computer and
Okay.
that's it.
So Dave, you're aware that Chris has written this app from scratch as part of the college course that he's on, and he's user testing it now, and there's 3 aspects to it. So you're happy?
Okay.
I'm just opening the program, or the app, I should say. If I can work out how to open it. I'm having difficulty opening it.
Okay, Chris, do you want to show Dave how to open it from there?
It's not meant to be on this platform. We just need you to press.
Ah, yeah. Ah, gotcha. I already tried it, but I didn't press it hard enough. Which is sometimes what happens with my left hand.
I think it's just because it's on a different platform, to be honest. So it's an app to show off photography stills. So
What's that?
it's an app to show off and demonstrate photography stills. So what's your first impressions?
Yeah, some good photographs.
That's good to know.
Some excellent landscapes, which I wouldn't mind printing off and then repainting.
I'm sure that can be arranged.
Yeah.
So how are you finding the app itself,
Very
scrolling
good.
from shot to
perhaps,
shot?
when you add a few more photographs here, a few more action photographs, that sort of thing.
Okay. Can you navigate back to the home page?
Yeah.
Can you find the contact page easily?
Yeah, easily, yeah. Now I know what I'm doing. Dead easy.
Like me, you only know it if you know it.
What's that?
Like me, I had difficulty opening it, but once you know it, you know it.
Yeah, once you know how to do it, then it's easy. It's not usual. What you normally do is say click a left hand click or right hand click there, and it will just automatically open.
Yeah.
As opposed to finding out an icon.
Yeah.
Which you probably indicate that will open the user word or some sort of symbol to say
So-
this opens the app.
Is that a kind of shortcut then?
Yeah, I would have said so. Yeah, that was a sort of shortcut. If you just had, rather than just an app, but a more clear app of what to open, or you could put open, or
So something to indicate it more
Yeah.
clearly then.
So use Java, jQuery mobile more openly.
Yeah.
but that would only make it easier. But like I said, once you know how
But
to
if
do
you've
it,
seen it on a phone,
it's easy.
you take it to a different.
Perhaps because it's on a different platform.
I'm assuming that, but then it might be different, might be the same.
But it's a useful comment to take on board, to try it out and to see
Yeah.
in the different ways. Dave, thank you very much for your contribution
That's
and your
all right.
time and effort to
And
that.
if you want to paint any of that, Mr.